Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If the point P minus 9 comma minus 10 divides the line segment joining A and B 7 comma 14 in the ratio 3:4, then find the coordinates of A. So we can use the formula for ratio here. Let's assume this is the required line. So formula for ratio says that, let's see, this is one of the ends, A x x1 comma y1, and this is other end B. B's coordinates are given as, let's see, 7 comma 14, 7 comma 14, and we are given the point dividing this line as P minus 9 comma minus 10. So let us assume, okay, the ratio is also given. That ratio is 3:4. So this is not visually correct. Let's see, this is, yes, P minus 9 comma minus 10. So 3:4. Okay, so we are given all of this information, and all we have to do is we have to find the value of x1 and y1. So we know P xy is given as m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So in this case we are given, let's see, minus 9 comma minus 10 equal to 3 comma 7, 3 multiplied by 7 plus 4 multiplied by x1 divided by 3 plus 4, and comma we have 3 multiplied by 14 plus 4 multiplied by y1 upon 3 plus 4. So by equating x coordinate to x coordinate and y coordinate to y coordinate, we'll get the required answer. So let's start with x coordinate. So minus 9 is equal to 7 3s are 21 plus 4x1 upon 7, 3 plus 4 is 7. And on the other side, y is minus 10 equal to 14 3s are 42 plus 4y1 divided by 7. So let's cross multiply. We get minus 63 equal to 21 plus 4x1 and minus 70 equal to 42 plus 4y1. So we have 84 minus 84 equal to 4x1, and this will be 42 will go over here and it will become minus 112 equal to 4y1. So we get x1 equal to minus 21 and y1 equal to 4 2s are 8, 3 remains, 4 8s are 32, so minus 28. So we get x1 y1, that is coordinates of point A, as minus 21 minus 28. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option C.